Hey guys, Aaron's Automotive here, and if you watched my last video you'll know that the alternator on my 82 Chevy had died. The alternator is from a 350 small block, and I'm going to pull it apart and see if we can find out what actually went wrong with it. You can hear the bearings in it, but this bottom plate, this backing plate, is completely loose, and actually it's lost a few of its bolts. So we're going to pull it apart, see what we can find. So I've got a screwdriver, along with a few nut driver bits. I'm pretty sure that's going to be a 9/16. Let me try and find my 9/16. Nope. Let's do this last one here. Take that screw out. Put that in my cup holder. Pull off that screw or that nut. That's the only one holding it on. Alright, pulled apart. On the inside, there's the those are the magnets, I think, for the coil. But see right in the center there's a couple of loose bearings. I'll try and knock those out into my cup holder here. A few of those bearings. Put you guys down. See if I can pull out this big magnetic coil. We've got a couple of screws in it. Just give me a second and bear with me. Not a 9, not an 8, probably a 9. 9mm nut. I got those two little 9mm nuts out. And you can, if you look, you can see all this real shiny spots on here where the alternator was actually rubbing against really bad and grinding. There's the inside. Looks like I even had a wire that might have gotten hot and broke off. And this is the part that spins with your belt. So this part is supposed to spin around. It's supposed to sit inside of this and spin around. But the bearings are shot. And causing this to sit up against here and grind. There, like that. Now it's doing it again. But so if you've ever wondered what's inside of an alternator, there's a quick glance. Sorry, the video isn't the greatest. I'm using a really old, cheap point-and-shoot camera, because the camera I use for videos is broken right now. There's the springs that are supposed to sit inside of this. Got another bearing loose. And actually, I believe that those bearings sit down inside of here, where there's some little grooves. Yeah, I guess that's supposed to spin with it. So that's where those bearings are supposed to be. But with the whole backing plate being loose like it was, I guess those bearings managed to come loose and cause this to wiggle around in there. Yeah, you can see the bearing's supposed to ride up against that little shaft there. So, thought I'd just give a little insight of what's inside of an alternator for those who didn't know. Alright, well, take care. See you later.